Hey everyone, this is Matt from My Model Y Adventure. I just wanted to do a quick little update video on my Martian wheels, the MW08 that I installed back in September of 2024. It's now actually February 15th, 2026. So I've had them installed for roughly a year and a half or so. And I wanted to cover kind of what some efficiency numbers are. Now, I haven't kept track of exactly, month over month or trip over trip or anything like that, but I have left since I started a road trip that we did back in December of 24. And we've put nearly, I think it's over 19,000 miles on since then. Now, the numbers I'm going to run through, keep in mind, this is a Model Y Performance. This is not a rear-wheel drive vehicle. I got the Performance for a reason. The numbers are going to kind of reflect that. So I'm just going to pull up here. Road trip total, 19,134 miles have been put on the vehicle since I kind of reset the trip tracker. Total energy, 5,766 kilowatts. Average energy consumption, 301 watt hours per mile. So you can see my most recent drive, which was about 5.5 miles, 341. Since I last charged the vehicle, about double the mileage, but about 10 or so watt hours less per mile. Overall, the average, though, 301. So my current odometer, 28,000. So there was roughly, from when I reset that in December of 24 back to when I purchased the vehicle in May of 24, what is that, roughly 8,000 miles or so, 9,000 mile difference between everything. So there was that like 4 or 5 months with the stock wheels, about 3 months or so between when I put these wheels on and when I did that road trip, and then from December of 24 until now. So 19,000 miles, 301. Obviously, you can get a lot better. I don't drive this vehicle for efficiency unless I absolutely need it. This also, keep in mind, I'm in the Chicago area and we get cold here. So in the wintertime, efficiency sucks. In the summertime, it is much, much better. If you live somewhere where it's hot year round, or you don't have the negative temperatures that we get here in Chicago, you can have a much better and more improved efficiency number than what I have. Or if you really care about really hypermiling, stretching every single efficient thing you can improve that. I also have other aftermarket products installed. You can see I have my dash screen here. I have ambient light kits. I have a sexy knob. I have motorized sunshade. In the back, I have a fridge. So I'm using and I also have the light strip on the back of the car. Now, granted, LEDs, using the ambient light, the fridge, not a huge energy consumption, but there's just, what I'm trying to add is there's other products that are drawing power from the vehicle, that if you don't have any accessories, you just put on aftermarket wheels, you can get much better numbers. I know when I did my video, the efficiency numbers were better, but that was also warmer temperature. Right now, you can see it's 48 degrees. That's actually, we're in our first kind of false spring here in Chicago. If you know, you know. But you can get much better efficiency numbers is really one of the highlight. If you have maybe just the rear wheel drive, or you have a long range, or you have the premium and you don't have the performance where you really push that pedal to the floor when you want to. Of course, you can do other things, like you can put it in chill mode versus sport. I only put this in chill mode when there's ice in the road. Otherwise, I am in sport 100% of the time. So, just some things to call out. I just wanted to give this update video. I don't want to keep blabbling on, but I'll put a link up in the corner up here to the video that I did originally. If you wanted to learn more about why I made the change, what the benefits are, where I picked up my wheels, all of that will also be in the link up there. It will be in the description down below. But I've been extremely, extremely happy with my Martian wheels, and just these are the efficiency numbers. So hope you found this helpful. Again, this was Matt from My Model Y Adventure.